Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send Trello cards details to Google Hangouts automatically. Now suppose you have a team and you want to assign them work. So what you can do, suppose you have A member, B member and C member. You can create cards with their name and assign them particular tasks through those cards, and then you can send those messages to your Google Hangouts automatically, so you do not have to remind everyone separately about their tasks or about their work. Now, what we are going to do, as I said, we are going to create a new card in Trello and then we are going to connect it to our Google Hangouts so that the details of that card will automatically be sent as a message to your Google Hangouts. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Trello and Google Hangouts together. Now, if you want to learn this easy automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So now I am going to go to my address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as I will press enter, we will be redirected to this page. And here you have two options: either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. And signing up is also very easy. It will only take 2 minutes to sign up. And also I want to tell you that with this signing up, we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So I already have an account, so I will go for sign in. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for login. And after that you will see my softwares here. So I'm going to access now for Pabbly Connect. And now here, as soon as it will open, you can see here, these are all the automations I have. And now what I am going to do, I am just going to create workflow one after another, and I will tell you how to connect your Facebook to Discord, then YouTube to Discord, then Twitter to Discord. So first we are going to create a workflow and then we are going to give it a name. So let us just give it the name, and here I am giving it the name Trello to Google Hangouts. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create, and as soon as I will click on create, you will see that I will have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what is happening here? We are going for the Trello in our trigger event. And here what we are going to do, we are just going to go for new card. Now what will happen? As soon as I will click on connect and I will connect my Trello account. Let me just first connect it. So how you are going to connect it, you can see you can find the above details by logging into your Trello account. After logging in, you can get the API key and can generate a token from here. So let's just click on here, and here you can see this is the key. So just copy this, go back, paste your API key here, go back to Trello, go back to options. Now here you can see this is the option of token, click on token. Here you can see this is the username. So Ashirai2 is the username. Go for Ashirai2. Go back. Allow. And here this is the token. Copy this token. Go back and paste it in the token section. Now you have to click on save, and as soon as you will click on save, you can see here we have an option of board and list. So where is the board? Let me just show you. These are the boards we have. Okay. And let me just close this, and here you can see these are the boards we have, and here you can see the name of the board. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose a random board. Let's just take this Google Sheets to Trello, and here you can see we have this new list here. So if I want to add a new list, I will just add a new list here. So let me just go for Trello. No, let me just go for trigger issues. Okay, so this is our new list. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to go here. We will go for Google Sheets to Trello. So we will search Google Sheets to Trello, and here we will choose our our list trigger issues. Now what we are going to do, as soon as we will click on save and send test request, it will ask us for the card. You can see when I will click on save and send test request, it is waiting for the response. Now what will happen, as soon as I will create a card, it will automatically take the card, but will not let me fill out the details in card, because to do that we have to first create a card and then we have to click here and we have to fill out the details in the card separately. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and I will type in here Trello trigger issue. Okay. Now, as soon as I will do that and click on this, you can see the card has been added. And here we will get the response here where we will get the card details. And here you can see trigger issues, but we do not have anything else apart from, except the trigger issues part. We do not have any title. We do not have any description. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go here and we are going to first use a feature by Pabbly, which is filter. And I want this automation to work only when a new card is created. So what I'm going to do here, I will use the technique which is called mapping, and I will use the details from this window and I will put it here. So what I'm going to choose here, we are going to choose action type create card. Okay. So we will go here, action type create card. And here we are going to choose create card. Okay. So create card is equal to create card, which means whenever we are going to create a new card, then only the workflow will continue. Otherwise the workflow will not continue. So we'll just click on save and send test request, and obviously it is going to say status success, condition is true. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to put another feature here, delay. Now why am I using this? Because when I will add a new card, the card will directly be added to Pabbly Connect here, but we need time to put in our description and our title in the card. So for that we are going to put a delay of 2 minutes, and I think 2 minutes are more than enough to put a description and the title in our card. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and you can see status is success, message delayed for 2 minutes. Now I am going to open this card, and now I am going to put the title. Title is Trello trigger issue. Now I am going to put the description. So here the description is, we are having an issue in the trigger event of Trello. Please check the create card trigger properly. Okay. Now this is the description. I'm just going to save it. And now as soon as I will cancel it, you will see that I have this description here. Now what I will do, I will go back, and here I will add another step where I am going to get that card from Trello. So I'll go here, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose get a card. So I'll just go here and type in get a and card. Okay. Now I'll connect it again, and now I am not going to connect it again by add new connection. I've already done it a few moments ago. So I'll just go and click on save. And now here you can see it is asking me for the card ID. Now what is this card ID? Again, I am going to use the technique which is called mapping, and I will take the card ID from here. Now here I will just show you what is the card ID. Let me just go up. And here you can see action data card ID, and this is the card ID. So we are going to go here and map in the card ID, which is action data card ID. And then we will click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see that here we have the description. We are having an issue in the trigger event of Trello. Please check the create card trigger properly. Okay. And here is the name of the title of the card which we have created. So now our step of connecting our Trello to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to choose Google Hangouts here now in our final step. And here in action, we are going to go for create message. We will go for connect. And now it is asking us for the chat webhook URL. Now let me just tell you what this chat webhook URL is. First, let me just open my account. And here I am going to change my account to Okay. So here you can see Pabbly Connect, and this is my account. So let us just go for Google Chat. That is much better. So here you can see, this is my Pabbly Connect account, and here you can see that somebody is using this. As you can see, we have a message, hey team, we got a new issue created. Now this is not our message, so let's just leave this. Now what we are going to do here, first, this is a Google Enterprise account, and only in Google Enterprise account you are going to get this option, manage webhooks. Okay, you're not going to get this option in any other account, so you have to pay for that. It is a paid service, and you have to get this Google Enterprise account, otherwise it will not work. So we will go for manage webhooks, and here we are going to go for add another, and here I am just going to use Trello to Google Hangouts. Okay, now this is my new webhook URL. I'll just click on save, and here you can see Trello to Google Hangouts. I'll just copy this, go back here, and I will paste it here. Now what I'm going to do here, I am just going to put a message for my team. So I'm just going to write, hey team, and here I will write, a new issue has been reported. Now I will just use mapping again, and here first I am just going to map in the title. So the title is Trello trigger issue, and then I am just going to map in the description, and description is we are having an issue. So here I'll just go and write title, and here I will just write description. Okay, and now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see Trello to Hangouts and here the message has been sent. And when we will come here, you can see, hey team, a new issue has been reported. Title, Trello trigger issue. Description, we are having an issue in the trigger event of Trello. Please check the create card trigger properly. Okay, now let us test this automation once more. Let me go here. I am just going to add one more card here. Now first I will add a card. So let me just go for SendGrid action issue, add card. Now it will give me 2 minutes because of my delay, so I can just do this in 2 minutes, add a description, and then the details will be taken from this account to my Pabbly Connect account, and then it will go to the Google Hangouts. Hey folks, we have a problem in our SendGrid create contact action event. Please have a look. Okay, and then I will click on save. Now we will wait for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes we will see automatically a new message will come here and will be shown to our team. So let's just wait for 2 minutes here. And you can see after 2 minutes, we have this, hey team, a new issue has been reported. Title, SendGrid action issue. Description, hey folks, we have a problem in our SendGrid create contact action event. Please have a look. So this is how you can connect your Google Hangouts to your Trello, so that whenever a new card is created in the Trello, a new message will be sent out to your Google Hangouts where your team can easily pay attention to the issue and then get it resolved. And you can use this automation in several other ways as well. Now if you wanted to use this workflow and you love this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone it directly into your account. And for that you need an account. So for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation application is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.